I know the first time I made waffles, you didn't get to see the video because my camera went into slow-mo. It's not in slow-mo, and fingers crossed it doesn't flip. I never figured out why it does that. It just flips every so often. So let's try again. These are really good. This is my Redmond waffle maker. It's also a sandwich maker and a griddle. So it's a 3-in-1 product. It's really good. This was so good. It's this brand, Waffle Mix. Yes, I can't pronounce it, but it's really good. It came out really good the first time, so we're going to do it again. I'm just going to make the one serving because it's just moi. So this will make 2 to 3 7-inch round waffles. This is a little bit smaller and it makes the square ones. But because Valentine's Day is coming up and I just happen to have cookie cutters in the shape of a heart, I don't know if I can make it work that way or if I just cut it out. I don't know. I'm thinking if I can. I don't know if I put this on the griddle and like pour it in. That might be too messy, huh? All right, never mind. Well, we won't worry about that. Okay, let's go. So we have to put in here, I measured out the water already. This is 2/3 a cup water. I got a paper towel ready. I just want to dry this out because I bought another cup measurer, so I wouldn't have to do that, but don't ask me where it went. You know what? It's probably still in the bag and never unpacked it. That's probably where it is. Yeah, now that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, we need 1 1/2 cups of the mixture. Now, where is that on the mark? Why is it like for left-handed? Why is it over here? 1 1/2. Where is this? Oh, okay, it's right there. It's this one up there. Okay. Wow, that's a lot. It made a lot the last time. All right. Oh, you know what Oh, wait a minute. I had a brainstorm idea. Hold on. I had an idea the last time. Wait a minute. All right. Yes. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. I had all my stuff right here. Come on, baby. Where is my cinnamon? I totally just used it. All right. If I can't find that, well, I got it. All right. Now, wait a minute. I got that cool stuff. Wait a minute. It's so cool. Hold on. Okay, wait. Now, wait, I think we put this on after. Maybe after? Can I put it in? What does it say? Contacts are in. The crazy delicious cinnamon blend delivers the taste of the notes. Sprinkle on toast, yogurt, ice cream. Mix into pancakes. We're going to put this in the cinnamon toast crunch mix. Oh my God, it's going to taste amazing. So you know what? I'm not going to add the cinnamon and ginger because this is probably going to taste really good. Oh my God, this is going to be amazing. Okay, I'm going to put that in. Hold on. And 1 egg, which I did beforehand because I'm a professional. Wait. Oh my God, I'm so glad I bought this. I knew it would come in handy for something. Wait. Oh my God, I can't wait. Oh my God. It's cinnamon. It's so cinnamon. Oh my God, this is so cool. Okay, how much should we put in? I didn't bring the little measurer. Oops. Oh, I'm not a professional. I just played one on TV. All right, that looks pretty good. Oh my God, that is so awesome. Then I got food color. And now this is the gel food color, and it says that it will not bleed out. Like, you know, usually you put, oh, don't tell me I have to cut it open. Usually you put red in, and it winds up with pink. This said, because it's gel, and I paid like $5. It said it's going to stay solid red. Okay, so it's already open. Okay, we won't put too much because I need to save this for my volcanoes in the snow. Okay, let's see. I know this is a really sad mixer. I know. Wait a minute! I forgot something. Wait a minute, the oil. Okay. Oh, that's all you need is 3 tablespoons of oil. Oh my goodness. think this is brand new. I had another one. Oh well, it's open now. I don't have a measurer. Oh gosh. Okay, we'll go with that. And hope for the best. Again, not a professional. I just looked the part. Oh my goodness. Okay, wait. All right, this is hilarious. I thought I had the right size bowl here. Oh, it is coming up red though. Okay. Oh my God, it smells so good. This is so good. Oh wait, you know what you're supposed to do too? Wait a minute, you're supposed to preheat your Redmond grill. Hold on. I gotta plug it in. Okay, cool. Did it go on? Yes. Okay. No, it is pink. It's pink. I mean, you know, it's okay. It's just I paid big bucks for it to do what it said it would do. That's just the point, you know what I'm saying? All right, whatever. Oh, okay. It smells really good. Put a little bit more in there. Yeah. All right, very good. That was what I thought it needed the last time. A little flavoring, a little bit of vanilla, or that's what I was going to put, either vanilla in here or some almond flavoring, something like that. I thought that would have been really neato. You know what I was thinking? Like, you do that with pancakes, right? Isn't that like more of the pancake thing? Did I bring, oh wait, I can put you in there because I won't need this, no. Okay. This was from Dollar Tree, so cute. Okay, let's hope that's pretty hot. Now I'm going to spray my griddle. Wait, there's a button to push. Ta-da! This is my mom's. All right. Alrighty. Oh, wait. Okay, perfect. I have to stand up for this. It's so hard when you're by yourself and trying to get the camera angle right and everything. It's not easy. Okay, and I want to highlight my baking skills. Okay, there we go. I could push the camera back, but all right, I don't have a head. That's okay. Now, the last time I did it in the middle. See, I don't know how. Oh boy. Okay. All right. Well, we'll see how this goes. It's good practice. It's good practice. All right. All right. We're gonna squish it and hope it doesn't go all over the place, because I don't know. I should have pushed you back just a wee bit. I try to do this all in one shot because it's just so much time and effort to clip it together. How's your day going? Mine's going awesome, really. I'm very happy. Knock on wood. Just keep moving forward. Anything goes wrong, just keep going forward. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. It's the only thing we can do. Never give up and just keep going. I need that as a motto on a shirt. Keep going, because that's all I feel like. I just tell myself all the time. Oh my God, sometimes when I'm trying to like straighten up the house, it feels like there's just like something against you. Things keep falling and it's just like you want to give up. And I said, like, you know what? Let it fall over there. We're concentrating over here. And you just keep going and you keep going and you keep going and it all gets done. Slowly, but that's okay, because it does get done. That's all that matters. That's the only thing that matters. In the end, it'll get done. It will get done. So that's how I always want to put a positive note out there for you guys. Did I do this right? Probably not, because again, not a professional, just playing one on TV. I don't know how long I should put that on, and I don't have a timer, and I really can't see the clock. So, it smells like it's cooking. Oh, I can see smoke. All right, smoke is usually a good sign. Okay, let's pop it. Where's the button? Oh my God, where's the button? I can smell it. Okay, ready? Wait. Ooh, perfect. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, it's perfect, Wait. Oh, hot. Wait a minute. Oh gosh, wait. I should have got the spatula. Perfect. All right, let me unplug it. Okay. perfect pink waffles. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. They are hot. I love when you can even do ice cream. That's what's good too. If you have like extra dough, you can just make them. You could freeze them, and you could always use it to make the ice cream sandwiches. I was even watching on a show, The Good Dish, all the amazing things you can make in a waffle maker. They made with cheese and pizza. It's totally awesome how they did it. I was really thinking outside the box, and it was like, wow. It was a great way to use leftovers and all different types of things. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, Mrs. Butterwoods. Sugar-free is like no calories in this. Wait a minute. Yeah. Oh, my God. I really wish it would have been redder, but that's okay. Pink's pretty. And it's cool because you can do green for St. Patrick's Day, anything. It's really nice. It's a quick breakfast for the children. You can even do the batter the night before and then just pour it out. It's a great idea. It's so good. Definitely tastes better with the cinnamon. I'm still thinking I should have put a little vanilla in there. It's very good though. I love waffles. I do want to make it with ice cream. I love that. I think one time I had it with hot waffles with the ice cream in the middle. I think I've had that. That's pretty good. I mean, it's cool. You could even put like chocolate chips in here. If you want to be healthy, put the blueberries in here. I was wondering if you could put M&Ms. And I got a box of those snow caps. M&Ms would be cute and colorful. For Pride Month. Wait, I don't know if they would melt though. We could try it. But something like that would be cute. You know, if you were very creative, you could take that batter, make a larger size, put it in different bowls, put all the different colors of the Pride rainbow. Well, I don't know if we could get all the stripes in there, but you could do something like that and do that. Even for 4th of July, you could do red, white, and blue. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, that's a great idea, isn't it? I thought. Okay, just a little bit more. Very good. All right, so this time you got to see me make it. It's really good. Easy to make. One day I gotta make a sandwich on them. I used to do that when I was a kid. Didn't everybody have one of those in the 70s and 80s? The sandwich maker? It was like the coolest thing ever. And everyone had one. And it's so simple. You put a dot of butter on the top, on the bottom, the bread, cheese, cold cuts, voila. You got a hot sandwich. This does everything. Here's the griddle. Comes with all the plates. It's really cool. It's a really great little gadget. And it's very, very versatile. And it's nice because it doesn't, you could just plug it in. You don't need a hot oven. It's very easy to do. So, thank you very much for watching. And I highly recommend buying this. It's really good.